Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sign into Gmail and go straight to the left menu. Open All Mail because archived messages live there. Once done, use the search bar with label, archive, or a clear keyword to filter only archived conversations. Make sure the account is correct and that you aren't in a delegated mailbox. If messages are many, sort by sender or recent date to find the ones you want to remove. This reduces clicks and prevents accidentally deleting the wrong thread. You now select the archived messages you want to delete. Click the checkbox at left for each conversation, and if you have a continuous range, click the first, hold Shift, and click the last to batch select. Once selected, confirm the count shown at the top so you know exactly how many will be affected. Then click the trash icon to move them to trash. This step removes them from archive, but keeps them retrievable for up to 30 days in case you change your mind. You finish by checking trash. Open the trash folder and choose Empty Trash now if you want permanent deletion immediately, because otherwise Gmail auto-deletes after 30 days. Make sure you understand that emptying trash cannot be undone. If you can't find archived messages to delete, check that filters or labels haven't moved them elsewhere, verify you're in the right account, and reload the page. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh synchronization before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.